Hello everybody, I have finished yet another Saber. I don't have much time for this hobby nowadays, but I managed to get something done every now and then. Here we have an custom-made Saber. It's heavily influenced by Anakin's Episode 3 hilt, but it's not an exact replica. It's pretty close to the basic principles, but it's not an absolutely 100% exact replication. For example, the T-grips are a bit larger than used in the actual prop, and the small details are missing here, and there are some changes which made the machining process a little bit easier in this hilt. But I machined the hilt myself. It's mostly aluminum. I have some copper accents here and there, and the Graflex pins here are brass made, and the hilt outer diameter is close to the Anakin Episode 3 measures. It's 35mm instead of the 38mm in Graflex or Luke Episode 4 hilt. So this one is closer to the Anakin version. Anyway, I have the Saber has Master Replicas Force FX soundboard, and the three dice triple Cree LED module, single lithium battery, 1.5 watt speaker, and I have a recycled and a little bit improved Master Replicas Force FX blade tube. So let's give it a look. This Graflex screw here doubles as a blade retention screw. An activation switch is here, a slider. Here you can see a very nice blue. The Cree LEDs always produce very nice blue, for my liking. Sound effects could be perhaps a little bit louder. I bored a little bit larger sound hole in the center of the pommel, so it lets a little bit more sound through than the first version of this Saber did. But this is not everything. I have still a couple of really nice treats in the Saber. For starters, the hilt breaks in two. Slide the lower frame tube off, and you can see that I made a very rudimentary, it's very simple and crude crystal chamber here, and designed the internals, the battery compartment here, designed it look a bit like a lightsaber. But either way the crystal chamber is also lit. It has a separate slider switch here, and it's lit by a white 5mm LED. So it kind of looks cool. Also, there is another slider switch here in the front, and by toggling it changes the main blade color. So now I switched it from blue to red. And now it's using the red half of the Cree LED module. So it's very nice and bright on red. The same Saber, but two blade colors, produced in a fairly simple way of a budget soundboard. So here you go, an Anakin style Saber for this time. I hope I get some of the next projects in my list completed soon. So keep your eyes peeled. Thanks for watching. Bye.